Hi, this is Tim from Camas Bike and Sport here in Camas, Washington, and today I'm going to show you how to patch a bicycle tube. All you need to patch a bicycle tube is a flat tube with a hole in it and a patch kit either with or without the rubber cement. There are faster stick-on patches, but they do not hold as well as a nice glued patch. And here I've got my inner tube. I've pumped it up really big so I could find the hole, and right there it is, my big hole. So we want to patch that guy up. First thing we want to do is, if you can't find this, if it's a smaller hole than this, you can dunk it underneath some water and look for the bubbles. But now that we've found it, we're going to patch this guy up. First I want to let the air out so it doesn't want to force the patch off until it dries. Then we're going to take some sandpaper, or some patch kits come with a little rough scouring pad, and just clean the area around the hole. And you just really want to get all the dust and debris away from it. Once you've got that guy cleaned up, then you want to apply a little bit of rubber cement just to that hole there and around. And let this dry just a little bit. Let it get a little tacky. While you're letting that dry, you can go and get a patch from your trusty patch kit. These are just a standard kind of stick-on, but they're meant to be used with the glue. So you can see how my glue's started to dry. And now I'm just going to apply the patch. This little plastic backing will go on with it. And now what I want to do is just grab something heavy and push on it and just leave some weight on there. Sometimes it's good to leave it underneath a table leg or a chair, or to put a bunch of books on there and just keep the pressure on there for a couple minutes and let that glue set up. And then after a couple minutes have gone by, the patch should be on there all the way, and then you would just reinstall it into your tire and put the tire and tube on your wheel and take it back up the pressure, and it would hold just great. I'm Tim, and that's how to patch a bicycle tube.